Good morning, Panthers, and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Sophia.
And my name is Francie.
It's a great day to be a Panther.
Good luck to our girls JV and varsity volleyball team today. They will travel to play Ogali High.
Don't forget, the boys and girls swimming team will also be competing against Ugali.
Also, a big shout out to the boys and girls bowling team. They will play Odyssey Charter at 4 p.m.
Attention class of 2025. Use the following Google codes to join the class of 2025 Google Classroom. The code is 5ATF73K.
You can see Mr. Agenda if you have any questions. Again, the class code is 5ATF73K.
This Thursday, August 31st, students will have their pictures taken in the auditorium. Students will get their school photos taken during their English classes on Thursday. Your English teachers will give you your photo identification slips to give to the photographer.
Eastern Florida students, you have photo identification slips will be on the table in the auditorium near the photographers. Please go to the auditorium before you go to Eastern Florida or when you come back from the college campus. Again, School Pictures Day is this Thursday, August 31st.
Students, start making plans now for this Friday's football game. We will host Palm Bay High School. Kickoffs will be at 7 p.m.
All students should have gotten the Students' Code for Conduction Acknowledgement form during first period yesterday. Please make sure that you turn this form back into the first period teacher signed. If you have any questions, see Ms. Van Bibba with directions.
That's all we have for today.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible and prepared.
Go Big Blue!